Badhane Namaskar. In this playlist of videos, we've been looking at how to read and write the letters of the Gujarati alphabet. We had already seen how to read and write the vowels and the consonants in the 5 by 5 grid. Now, we'll look at how to read and write the miscellaneous consonants, the first of which is ya. It is written like this. Notice how it is different from cha. Ya. 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 The next consonant is ra. 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 The next consonant is la. La. Slowly. La. 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 The next consonant is va, which is written like this. Va. 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 These next three consonants, which are uttered by an expulsion of air, sha, sha and sa, need to be paid close attention to, especially how to utter them. The first one, which is a slightly thick sha, is written like this. Sha. 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 The next sound, which is much thicker, is sha. It is written like this. Sha. 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 The next sound, which is very soft and thin, sa, is written like this. Sa. 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 Once again, recapping, there is sha, which is thick, sha, which is even thicker, and sa, which is thin and soft. The next sound is ha, which too is uttered by an expulsion of air. It is written like this. Ha. 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 I hope ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, which are the miscellaneous consonants, are clear. We will now look at how to write a set of compound consonants, which are as follows. The first of them is ksha, which is a combination of ka and sha. It is written like this. Ksha. Ksha. Slowly. Ksha. 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 The next composite consonant is tra, which is a combination of ta and ra. It is written like this. Tra. 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 The next composite consonant is a combination of j and nya. It is uttered as gnya, as in jnanam, jnapti, jnapakam, jnapika, and it is written like this. Gnya. This is a slightly tricky one. Gnya. Look at how the lines curve. Gnya. 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 This is not gya or dnya or gya or gnya or gna. This is gnya. The next composite consonant, which is a combination of sh and r, is written like this. There is no shiro rekha in Gujarati. It is written like this. Shra. A line and this. Shra. 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 And the next sound, which is very commonly found in all South Indian languages, Marathi and also in Gujarati, is la. It is written like this. La. This is a thicker la. It is not a la but la. It is written like this. La. 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 Finally, the one sound to rule them all, the pranava, which is the omkara, which is common in almost all Indian languages. If it is not written as the vowel o and m, the unique symbol for om is om. You can also stylize it and write it like this as om. There are many artistic renditions of om, but this is om. Om. This is a combination of a, u and m. Om. And the final symbol that you see here is an avagraha. It is commonly found in Sanskrit shlokas to denote the presence of two a's coming together. When a word ends in a and there is a at the beginning of the next word, to denote the joining of both those sounds, this symbol is present. This does not change the pronunciation in any way, but this is used to indicate that there are two a's at the end of a word and the beginning of the word, and this is used to abridge both of them. You will understand it clearer when you see it in usage, but to write it is like this, and it doesn't have a specific pronunciation of its own. This is an avagraha. With this, we finish all the letters and we have learnt how to read and write all of them in the Gujarati alphabet. I hope you found this useful. We'll continue more videos where we use the combinations of these sounds called as Barah Khadi, and we'll practice them in multiple stories and shlokas, and that is how we will gain fluency in how to read and write the letters in all possible combinations of the Gujarati alphabet. So, see you in the next videos. I hope you found these useful. Once again, you can share the link that you see in the description below, where you find all these practice sheets, and this is free of cost. So, you can either print them on A4 sheets of paper or use them on digital devices and save paper. So, thank you so much for joining us on this series of videos. Namaskaram.